we're trying to increase our exposure of our facility. We run a lot of trucks out of here, and we thought that that would be an opportunity for free marketing. So we've been a U-Haul dealer for about 4.5 years. U-Haul as a whole has helped fill our storage rooms. It's very easy to miss our facility. We are on a busy road on each side of us. We kind of blend into the trees. Having the big U-Haul trucks out front has definitely helped the exposure. It's free marketing. Then we finally decided to do the logoed van. So that way it actually is putting our storage facility out there. When people are renting it from Costco, sitting in the parking lot, people see it that we're right down the street, or they're in the neighborhoods. Just having the logoed trucks at our facility, or the big trucks, has made a huge impression on our facility. Our occupancy has gone up probably 15% since we've become a dealer on a consistent basis. We feel very proud to have a van with our business name on it. It brings awareness to our facility. We're very, very happy and pleased that we made that decision.